Hey peeps! Flipbooks. We're going to be showing you how to make them and do things. Because I have no script. So first you're just going to need index papers or badly cut out paper, a rubber band or clip, a pencil and eraser. What you do is you draw something, and then what you do is you use the reflection from the back of the paper and you trace over it, and then you move something. And then you keep doing this for the amount of time you want to do this, like for however long you want this. And then what you can do is you can rearrange them back like that, and then you flip them, and it's slowly going to do your motion. So like, say you want an eye. This is a very cartoony eye, old style. It's a blink. You take a paper, you go like this.
You slowly do the frames that you want to add.
Yes. And you keep doing that until you get what you want.
The more precise you make the frames, the more
Better it looks.
more fluid.
The more fluidly it looks.
Yeah, the more fluent it looks. So yeah.
Yep.
We're just gonna wait for
You're just gonna wait on me because I take so slow to
finish.
just so slow. It takes time, you know. Alright, and then you rearrange all of these backwards. So instead of this, you just put all the frames like beforehand. Like this. Very rushed. And then what you do is you take your rubber band or clip or whatever you want to use to keep it together. Put it on. You put it on, and then you take the thingy and you go either like this, or you keep it like before. Put the rubber band on here. And then do this. You get my point. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Keep an eraser on you just in case you mess up. And see you later.